Hey guys, today I'll be making apple cake in the Instant Pot, so let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and about 2 apples washed and sliced. I will be making the cake in a 7-inch spring foam pan that fits into my Instant Pot. First, I'll combine the apples and the 2 tablespoons of sugar and cinnamon and mix well. And then I'll keep it aside. Now I'll add the dry ingredients and mix it in a separate bowl. And in another bowl, I'll add the rest of the ingredients and mix it together. Have your pan sprayed and ready. Now I'll combine both wet and dry ingredients in my KitchenAid mixer. You'll notice that the dough is a bit thick, and this is normal. Now we'll add the mixture to the pan in 2 layers. Add half of the mixture in the pan. You might need to spread it out with your hands. Then add some apples. Then add another layer of the mixture and more apples. Cover tightly with foil wrap. Now I'll add my trivet to my Instant Pot. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to gently put the pan into the Instant Pot. Then I'm going to cover it and make sure that the valve is on sealing. I'll set the timer to 60 minutes, followed by a natural release. Make sure the pin has dropped before you open the lid. Let the cake sit uncovered for 15 minutes before removing the spring foam. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.